Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I love using the six-sided polygon to make three-dimensional shapes, and this one is probably the easiest one. First of all, there's no boundaries. Get the polygon put on six sides, hit P to put it in the center of the page, then get a 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and then that node to that node. I just made a hotkey for my Smart Fill tool with the letter F, and I don't have to go up there and do anything or put it to the toolbox. Now, I am going to nudge my Smart Fill out of the way, and I'm going to nudge this out of the way. I don't like taking the lines away later, so I'm going to nudge it right back down. I'm going to go ahead and put in indexing lines that are the center of the page. I'm going to get out see, there's my hotkey for F, but interactive fill is G. And you want to put a little dark in this corner, not too much, but you'll grab your black and put it in there and see that's too much, so you can bring your slide bar down. And then you could actually, put another blue or do anything you want. Bring the black just a little bit back. And it's a six-sided polygon, so when we make a duplicate, Control D, 6 in the 360 is 60. So we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. And how easy was that? And cool and looks pretty real. I mean, it really looks like it's kind of like folded blue paper. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.